I'm delighted to introduce AI Python for Beginners, a new course that'll teach you the basics of computer programming. Learning to code has traditionally been a really time-consuming effort, requiring many hours to progress through basic concepts before you can build something useful. But AI chatbots are changing the way that people write code. And for a beginner, it's now possible to get to a point where you can create useful applications much more quickly. AI tools also let you carry out advanced tasks with just a few lines of code, and this has the potential to transform your daily work and life. Coding is no longer just for people that want to be professional software engineers. So this course is for you, whether or not that is your ultimate career goal. AI Python for Beginners will introduce you to the most important concepts of computer programming and use AI to guide you on that journey in two key ways. First, the course will show you how to build exciting AI applications by combining new AI language models like ChatGPT with Python coding. Using Python to interact with AI lets you automate tasks that otherwise would be repetitive if you had to do them using a chatbot AI in your web browser. It also lets you access many tools written specifically for Python, and this lets you do much more than just using a chatbot interface. You'll be able to perform mathematical operations or gather real-time information about the world from online and much more. So writing code that uses AI, which you see in the examples in the course, will let you build more applications that can immediately be relevant and useful to you, even while you're still learning. The second way the course uses AI is as a tool to support your learning. Chatbots have already changed the way that professional software engineers write code in their day-to-day work. Rather than spending hours reading documentation or searching the web to solve a problem, software engineers are now using AI as a coding companion to help them write code and quickly find solutions. As a new programmer in the age of AI, you learn to code Python using this approach from day one. Using a chatbot that's built right into the course learning platform, you have access to friendly expert advice on how to solve common programming problems. So you're able to get your AI companion to help you understand and fix any mistakes in the code, have it explain to you how core programming concepts work, and also have it help you write code to carry out your specific tasks. With AI chatbots working alongside you, you never have to write code or learn alone. By the end of this sequence of courses, you have learned the core concepts in Python that you need to write useful AI-powered applications. And you also know how you can use tools like ChatGPT or other chatbots to help you code in the future. You have the programming foundations you need to tackle other Python or AI courses, including many of the courses offered by DeepLearning.AI. There's never been a better time to learn to code, or more opportunity for you to benefit from your new skills. So if you're new to programming, I hope you'll sign up for AI Python for Beginners and join the community of millions of coders building AI tools and applications. Come join in the fun.